Follow fifths. We do a too slow and too fast brush back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, a 7 and 8. From back, reverse whole thing. Okay? Back, 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 brush. Front, 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 brush. Back, side, front, front, side, back. First, fifth, third repeat and plie. Outside 7 with arm, back, fifth, plie. And inside 6, okay? And also back, fifth, plie. Outside passing, attitude, finish that. One more time. Front, 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 brush back. Back, 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 brush front. Front, side, back. Back, side, front. First, back fifth. Quick third repeat, quick plie. From back, reverse whole thing. After reverse, outside like 7, finish on back fifth. Inside like 7, finish on the back fifth. Outside passing, attitude. Okay, I'll go get the music. Everything will get faster, okay? Make a little faster. Okay, Ramonda. Ready? Arm up. Front, brush. Back, brush. Front, side, back, side, front. First, back fifth. Third repeat, plie. Back, brush. Front, brush. Back, side, front, side, back. First fifth. Third repeat, outside 7. 1, 2, 3, back fifth. Inside 7. Back fifth. Passing. And attitude.